My Nigeria people don't bring no bonga Bishop News Story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a we say it just happened. The governor of Zamfara State will be Dawood Alawa Adokon. They accuse the former governor of Zamfara State will be Bello Matawale and the officials they will say they work with them during administration. As in Koyan say they tiftalize things, both all the chairs them, air condition, television set them, and obonga things them. We be say it day for inside the Zamfara State licensing office for Abuja. As in Koyan say all the money will be say about 2.79 billion naira. Where Governor Matawale Bello used to buy plenty motors them. Say he not see any of them for inside the office. Say the Governor Matawale carry all of them come out. And he yarn this talk on Saturday, June 3rd, 2023 for inside Abuja. A Calabar police for inside Alabado division of Lagos State Command don arrest one married woman wey be mama of 2 children dem wey her work na to dey tift license, and her name na Bumi Maliki. And she dey always dey carry different keys dem dey use am dey open people their house. After wey they don go church, she go come enter inside their house, come tiftalize their properties.
Your name is Bumi Malik. You are from which state?
What did I tell you about that?
So all the way from Yanolobo, you go street to street to find the house that is open. Okay. Then when you open the door, what did you steal here? See all these items you stole? Rice.
One man wey name be Odiaka don dey call for help as he come dey beg the human rights group make dem come help am after when him wife go pour am hot water, and the wife will be also be break in head. They come dey threa ten saying go pour am acid, and this gbege happen for inside Delta State.
See wetin a woman do im husband. Pour hot water. They don't even break his head. Look at his head. This one at the second time now when he pour hot water. They threaten say he go pour acid or say he go kill her.
The Ogbonge PDP chieftain wey be Dele Momodu don come post this video as him call yarn. He say they be dey wait for their flight wey they come carry them for inside Abuja. Say na so they can't get one news. They say they don't close Abuja airspace. Say because he get some VIP movement in. And the flight wey say suppose come carry them, they come return am back to Lagos State. And the former president wey be Goodluck Jonathan dey for inside the flight. But later after 3 hours, na to the flight, call later come back Abuja from Lagos.
See him entering the car. That's the former president, guys.
About 37 people that don't come with fire and plenty other ones that don't wunjure after wey some Omila terrorists them attack 3 communities them wey dey for inside Dangaza local government area of Sokoto State. And the communities them say they not agree to pay the terrorists them the money where they ask them to pay them. And made the terrorists they come provoke, come go buy so many of them. And this begin happen on Saturday evening. Now the terrorists them attack the communities. The National Union of Electricity Employees will be NUEE. They don't come out to conquer all their members them. Say very soon, say they go off all the light where they for inside the whole Nigeria to join the National Labour Congress strike will go happen on Wednesday, June 7, 2023. This because of the subsidy where Nigerian federal government remove. The governor of Abia State will be Alex Oti of Labour Party don come hosting Thanksgiving service to mark the inauguration, and also the Labour Party presidential candidate will be Peter Obi. He show face for there. And yesterday on Sunday night, and I post these pictures them on top in social media. The Nigerian Labour Congress now agree to answer the meeting with federal government because they made a consider, made a discuss about the subsidy wey be say they remove and the high price of fuel wey be say it dey all over Nigeria. The governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, don dey beg the Nigerian Labour Congress to say make dem not strike and protest as dem dey plan all over Nigeria. As him come yarn this talk yesterday on Sunday after when he finished in Thanksgiving service.
I mean, we need to be very patient. It's not even done a week, right? And so let us talk to ourselves and say that we shouldn't turn this thing political. Let's wait and support this man. He's not done a week on the job.
The former vice president will be Yemi Osinbajo don go visit the family of the founder of the First City Monumental Bank wey be FCMB wey name be Shobomi Balogun after winning Ufpai on May 19, 2023. And na Professor Yemo Shibaja na him post this picture on top him Instagram page. One pastor Okeze Atani don dey vex as him come do this video say Abia people dem say dem don't like better thing after when he come yarn say dem be pack dirty comot yesterday on Sunday say but today Monday June 5th dem don go carry dirty again go drop for ground for the same place dem say later dem come out come dey blame the governor wey be Alex Oti say no pack the dirty dem comot. Social media don burst as plenty Christians dem don dey provoke after wey this story show face on top social media say one Utah school district wey dey for inside United States of America ban Bible say make their students dem not read am again say because the word dem wey dey for inside the Bible e too bad and e dey violent for children dem to read. The ogbonge Swedish football superstar wey be Zlatan Ibrahimovic don come retire from football yesterday on Sunday June 4th, 2023 at the end of Serie A season and he retire at the age of 41 years old. The ogbonge Brazilian superstar wey im name be Neymar Jr. don come dey thank im best friend wey be Lionel Messi as two of dem dey play together for PSG. Come dey tell Messi say im love Messi wella and he yarn dis talk after wey Lionel Messi play im last game match for PSG yesterday June 4th, 2023.
Yes, na Bishop News O'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.